What is data analysis? You have probably heard about the word data, and you are wondering what this means. The English dictionary defines data as facts and statistics that are collected for reference or analytical process. Data can be in a coded form or other forms, but data simply means a piece of information. So, what do you do with a piece of information? What is data analysis? Data analysis is the process of cleaning, modeling, and transforming data for research or problem-solving purposes. Data analysis basically involves the extraction of useful information from data sets to affect an individual or company in the process of decision-making. Why data analysis? Developing or developed businesses use data analysis to facilitate growth. Only a less visionary business makes business decisions without the use of data analysis. Types of data analysis. There are various types of data analysis, and they exist based on the type of business and technology. Text analysis. Text analysis can also be referred to as data mining. This is a data analysis method that involves the use of database or data mining tools to discover a pattern in large data sets. Statistical analysis. This uses past data in its analysis. It is in the form of what happened. Diagnostic analysis. This analysis method finds causes, that is, why did it happen? Please read our blog website, securedisruptions.com, for further reading on the topic. Predictive analysis. This analysis guesses what would happen by using previous data, that is, what is likely to happen. Prescriptive analysis. This analysis method is probably my favorite because it combines the insight from past analysis to determine the right action to take when it comes to problem solving or decision-making processes.